This will be our prediction for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's start with our trend first and first. We need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our New Zealand dollar JPY, if I had to zoom it out, we'll see that we are in an uptrend move. So that is the first rules of trading is know the trend. The second rule of trading is trade with the trend. Now you can see that our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move. So we believe as a thing that our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY is an uptrend move. So we are clearly in an uptrend movement, right? Now let's zoom it in right here. So this is an uptrend movement. No doubt about that. The second rules is trade with the trend. So since we are in an uptrend move, we now need to trade with the trend. So this is it right here. We've gotten multiple rejection. Now let's see it this way. This is our first high. Market did give us, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market there was able to give us a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then gave us a new higher high, and this is an higher low right here, which eventually gave us a double bottom right here. This is a double bottom that market did give us. Now this is a push up that market did give us, which is an high, and here comes the higher low. So we will be expecting market to push up one more time to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we will be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So guys, be expecting a bullish move on your New Zealand dollar JPY. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be any changes. But if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.